In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync OneNote to your computer. This process is essential for keeping all your notes updated across devices. When you sync your notebooks, you ensure that any changes made on one device are reflected on another. This way, you can access your notes anytime, anywhere. Let's get started. First, open OneNote on your Windows computer. You can find it in your Start menu or by searching for it in the search bar. Once the application is open, you will see a familiar interface with your existing notebooks listed. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for syncing. You need to be in the app to proceed with the syncing process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you are new to OneNote. Next, sign in with the same Microsoft account you use on your other device. Look for the sign-in prompt, usually appearing at the top right corner of the window. By logging in with the same credentials, you connect your OneNote to the cloud services that store your notebooks. This is important because it allows OneNote to access all your notebooks that are saved online. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password to ensure they are correct. After signing in, open the notebook you want to sync. You will see a list of your notebooks on the left side of the window. Simply click on the notebook you wish to work with. It will open up within the OneNote interface, displaying all your notes and sections. This step ensures you have the right notebook ready for syncing. It is reassuring to know that once this is done, you are ready to sync your information across your devices. To manually sync your notebooks, click on File in the top left corner. A menu will appear, and from there, select Info. This step provides you with important options related to the syncing status of your notebooks. It's a straightforward process, and understanding this menu can save you time in the future. You'll notice that it gives you insight into which notebooks are currently synced. Once you are in the Info section, view the sync status. This option will show you the current sync status of all your notebooks. If everything is working correctly, it should indicate that your notebooks are up to date. This is a valuable step because it helps identify any potential syncing issues. Knowing the state of your sync can alleviate concerns about missing notes or updates. Next, you can choose to sync all notebooks at once by clicking Sync All. Alternatively, if you want to sync just a specific notebook, click Sync Now next to that particular notebook. This feature gives you flexibility in managing your notes. Syncing all notebooks is convenient, especially if you have multiple notebooks that need updating. You will see a confirmation pop up indicating that the sync is in progress. It is important to remember that OneNote only syncs notebooks stored in OneDrive, SharePoint, or Microsoft 365. Local notebooks will not sync across devices until they are moved to OneDrive. This detail matters because it ensures you can access your notes from anywhere. You will need to organize your notebooks appropriately if you want seamless access across multiple devices. If syncing isn't working, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account on all devices. Also, check that you have an active internet connection. These steps are essential for maintaining a reliable sync. If there are still issues, you may need to install any available OneNote or Office updates. After updating, try the Sync All function once more. This can often resolve unexpected syncing issues and save you from frustration later on. By following these steps, you can efficiently sync OneNote to your computer and ensure that all your notes are up to date. Remember, syncing is a vital process for keeping your information accessible across various devices. Thank you for watching and happy note-taking.